Alright folks, Zeta Sigma slots back here at Wild Wild Nugget at Diamond Joe's again. Let's see if we can do it this time. I got 20 bucks in, we're going to do a buck a spin. Actually, we're going to do $3.50 spins first. Goldies. Oh, no nuggets. We will stay on $1.50 or more but until we get to 15 bucks. So since we made money, we'll go to $2.50. Do it. Oh, come on. Grow. Grow again. Gold. Oh. Does the teeth weird you out on the donkey as much as it does me? Just saying. What did we win? Well, $7. Alright. We're max bet at 5. Oh, come on. Do it. Come on. Go. Last chance. No. That's not fair. Alright, back to $1.50. Redeem yourself. Gold. Well, that's gold. That's the wrong gold. $1.50 again. Alright, last $1.50 spin, we'll go back to $1. Oh, that was going so good. Got some frying pans for $6. $1.50. Wild, wild. Do it, grow. Get the gold this time. No! I got frying pans again. 3. $4.35. Alright, $2.50 spin. Puppies. Missing one. Alright. We'll do a $5 spin. Do it. Come on. Please? Yes! We just got a max bet 3 games. Don't screw me. Not like Treasure Island. Alright, we are not rushing a bonus. I know better. $15 free games. Play. Santa Claus for $15. That's a double. That is a double. We're at $40. How nice can you be? Frying pan, 10. Oh, come on. Flowers. Wild throw. Get the gold. Oh, that's $60 on frying pans. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that was not gonna happen. Starting off this trip great. You can do that 10 more times. That's just fine. Oh my god. Santa. For 10 bucks. And a $100 bonus. Oh, there's our gold. We could have used that. Let's get some wilds again. Wild. 10 for $1.50. Oh, $50 nuggets. Retrigger. Oh. Last spin. Retrigger. Do it. Yes! How many do we get? We get another 15? Oh my god. Good job listening, Nugget. You can be my friend. Doggies. Alright. Nuggets. That's a $500 nugget. You don't even have to give me multipliers. Just give me wild, wild, nugget, nugget, nugget. That's 15 bucks. Oh, do it. Retrigger again. Go. Go. Do it. No. Wild, wild. Oh, there was nothing. Wild. Come on. Give me the nuggets once. With the wilds. Doggies for 15. We're at 150 bucks. Oh, that's awesome. Wild, donkeys, $7.50, $3 for the jacks. Come on, you got 2 chances. Wild, wild, nuggets, or retrigger again. I'll take 15 more. Oh my goodness. Oh, queens. Alright, last chance. Retrigger. Dogs. Nothing? Oh. You're making me cry. Alright. We are going to do $5 spins down to 150. We're still way up on this game. Alright, last one. Alright, nothing on those, so we are cashing out. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share this one definitely with your friends, and we will see you on the next video. Have a good one, guys. Good luck.